Sa San Beda, ang na-activate nila si Habakon lang.
Bakon niya.
Kasi yung iba, parang medyo naghahanap pa ng rhythm. Pero dito sa Letran, dahil na-distribute ng ayos na Estrelier yung bola, may Padilla ka na pumapalo, may Nitura ka na maganda nilalaro, may Sari na pwede mong hanapin anytime na maganda rin ang pinapalo, may Yen ka na maganda rin ang nilalaro, di ba? So hindi mo kailangan maging selfish kung kanino mo ibibigay kasi lahat sila capable and lahat sila talaga naman makikita mo na nagko-contribute.
Ito, Judiel Nitura scoring her 8th point. And again, Letran nakabawi na. Na-service ace sila kanina nito ni Jill Katubig. So, Leonelyn Padilla. Bunch of her 4 points came in that second set. Caballero will not get the touch. Coach Kung Fu on your screens. Yan yung ano eh.
Leonelyn Padilla.
Wala ka na masyado magagawa. You know, you've tried to rally your team, give out specific instructions. Yung translation na lang at execution ang kulang.
Again, narinig natin yung mga sinabi ni Coach Kung Fu eh, diba? And very direct siya to the point sa gusto niyang sabihin at saka ipaintindi. Ngayon, it's up to the players on how they respond, how they take it, kung ano yung sinabi ni Coach, and how they turn around. How they turn things around for them.
This is a test of character for the Lady Red Spikers. Let's see if they can pull through. The plan is looking steady. And there is another point. Vanessa Sari beating the blockers yet again. That time going through Molina. And she wins that battle.
Oh, may konting ano pa eh.
Di ba?
Pero importante kasi yan dito sa part kasi yan ng game yan, no? Nag-elevate kasi yan ng players natin.
Tsaka rivalry matchup. So, parang kailangan nun. Vanessa Sari gets another one.
Nadinig ba ni Vanessa Sari yung sinabi ni Coach Kung Fu about power and precision? Kasi parang mas siya yung gumagamit eh. Alam natin na yung palo niya is full of power. And at the same time, ginagamit din niya yung angle ng mga blockers para pag pumalo siya with power, talagang alam niya na ang punta ng bola, check out.
Again, Vanessa Sari getting her old form back could be scary for the rest of the league.
Alam mo ba, isa pa ako napapansin eh. Kanina pinag-uusapan natin na whenever nagko-commit ng error yung Letran, sunod-sunod din yung score. Hindi kaya ginagawa na nilang intention. Kasi magkamali tayo ng isa. Tapos kuha tayo ng 3-4 points ulit para sa momentum. And then, makakapatay yung San Beda ng bola. And then magkakamali sila ulit. And then lalaki ulit yun naman.
I don't think it's intentional, pero
parang yun yung pattern.
Parang nagiging ganun ang pattern.
Yeah,
na medyo yun yung rhythm nila dito sa laro natin. Judiel.
The distribution of offense para dito sa Letran. Tignan mo si Estrelier. Parang hindi siya nababago din. Kasi ang ganda nung first ball na bigay sa kanya. Ngayon, iisipin na lang niya asan ba yung blockers ng San Beda. Kanino mo ba ibibigay?
Only one blocker in front of Judiel as Campos. Of course, that ball went off the board.
Ace ba yun? Ace ba yun?
Yeah.
Ace yun, di ba?
To serve again.
Kasi hindi na ibalik. Again, Judiel is a terror for the other team's receivers. Service ace for Judiel. And Letran jumps into an 8-3 lead. When we return, mapapakinggan po natin ang report ni Gleisel Galpo.
kapuso, nakatutok pa rin po kayo dito sa NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Martin and Prince, we've been talking about the errors committed by the Lady Red Spikers, and this is also something that Coach Kung Fu Reyes has been adamant about. Isa nga sa mga patuloy niyang paalala sa kanyang koponan ay tayo ang gagawa ng kapalaran natin. Hindi lang dapat kung ano ang nakasulat, reminding them to limit unforeseen errors and take charge over things they can control. Coming into the set, Coach Kung Fu called on them to not get too excited dahil nawawala raw ang kanilang execution and maturity in the game. What he wants is for them to slow down and capitalize more on being precise. Martin and Prince?
Thank you so much, Gleisel. Yeah, that's a great point, and this is uncharacteristic for San Beda. You know, they've shown that aforementioned composure pretty much in their first 12 games, even in the matches that they lost. Pero dito sa laban natin, talagang hindi nila makuha yung tamang timpla sa court.
Oo. And again, nagawa na nga ni Coach lahat ng pwede niyang, alam mo yun, rotation. Nagpalit na siya ng setter, palit ng libero. Binalik na sa pagiging setter si Molina. Pero struggling pa rin. But ang pinaka makikita talaga natin dito is kung paano nagka-capitalize yung Letran doon sa miscommunications ng San Beda, mistakes and errors na nakocommit ng San Beda. Anong ginagawa ng Letran pag nagko-commit sila ng mistakes? Parang mas lalo silang nagiging aggressive.
Playing like a well-oiled machine.
Oo.
Itong Letran Lady Knights. Good serve by Angel. Better pickup from Vanessa Sari. And it leads to that quick from Jake Isar. And the reception for Letran has been on point, even on the heavy serves unleashed by San Beda. 10-5 is our tally. Campos. Tubig. Panain. Sobra. I don't think there was a check, but review this.
Challenge called by Letran. The challenge is block touch.
Confident ang Letran na meron. Sige, we'll see.
Alam mo, feeling ko parang tumama sa kamay ni Batchar.
May check, ano?
Parang eh.
Tsaka confident yung coaching staff eh. Diba? Ang piyansa eh.
Pero ang hirap din yan, ano? Ang hirap din yan, ano? Bibigyan ka ng trabaho ng coach. Kailangan spatan mo kung yung mga net touch, yung sa sahig, floor touch, diba?
Kailangan dyan.
Kailangan precise ka talaga dyan, diba?
Mabilis, ano? Kasi mabilis nangyayari niyan.
Eagle eyes.
Eagle eyes.
Eagle eyes.
Oh, yan. Kailangan 20-20 vision ka.
Pwede mo pang i-zoom in, zoom out.
Oo, ganun. Kailangan medyo cyborg ka. Yung mata mo. But Letran is cruising here in this match. 10-5 lead in the third set, trying to close out Letran and the classification round undefeated. This is Leonelyn Padilla. Her breakout season with the Lady Knights. Last season, she was used sparingly. Si Coach Mayet din daw sa sali ba? Alam mo,
Coach, pakitaan mo kami, Coach,
Alam
ng
mo,
konting energy.
pag dito nagpa-unlock si Coach Mayet, sa broadcast, kailangan maimbitahan din natin. Yeah, this is an extended review, extended challenge. Meron kayong check. San Beda looking flustered here on this side.
Habang may time pa, Mark, pasalamatan natin yung mga viewers natin.
Hello, everybody.
Oo.
Yeah.
Again, rivalry match sa parehas ng mga supporters natin. Parang
Wala. No check.
okay, so
No.
nagsasabi ng totoo. Nagsasabi ng totoo na walang touch.
Challenge unsuccessful.
Pero kanina parang sigurado talaga sila na ano eh.
Spikers.
Meron, ano?
Oo eh.
Molina out.
But I heard it
Gina
from
Espina in.
the impact. Kasi yun yung impact na buo. Pumailalim. Usually pag sa ilalim
Kumbaga buo yung palo eh. Buo yung palo.
Palubo yung approach nun pagkatapos.
Yun yung naging problem nila ng first set.
Ooh! Service ace.
That's an ace.
Wow!
Coming from
All
Bea
right.
Custodio.
Custodio. A loud entrance to the match.
To serve again.
Converts
Bea Custodio.
from the service line. They need a difference maker off the bench. But she
Service
follows
goes
it
out.
up with a service error, Prince. Wow. Man,
That could have been the start of their run.
Serving for the Lady
Yeah.
Knights. Nat
it's been that kind of
Estrella.
day for San Beda. 11-7. Katubig scores.
Jill Katubig.
Lady Red Spikers inch closer here in the third. As Jill Katubig, very capable scorer.
Serving for San Beda. Janelle Bajar.
Bajar. Tough first ball for Letran. Here's the counter attack from San Beda. Katubig is shut down by Padilla. Look at the rejection. Oh, looked like it went through Nitura.
Parang kay Nitura yun.
Yeah.
I mean, lagpas eh. Lagpas yung hanggang elbow niya eh. Yung nasa ibabaw ng net eh.
Again, Letran not giving an inch against San Beda. Hindi sila nagbibigay ng kumpiyansa dito.
Not giving room to breathe.
Yeah. At the activity from Letran's side. Judiel sends it away.
Parang ano to eh. Alam mo yung nakalubog ka na sa tubig. Sumusubo ka pang huminga, nilulubog ka pa ulit. Diba?
That's right.
Not giving them, even an ounce of air para makabalik dito sa game na to. Set number 1, set number 2.
Again, the Lady Red Spikers are no pushovers. They're number 2 in Group B, 9-3. Leonelin barely getting there. Katubig. Estrelier saves it. Nitura denied.
San Beda with the block.
Back down to a 4-point deficit. And Jill Katubig getting a hand on that ball.
Jill Katubig.
Silva with a perfect pass. Here's Padilla. She goes wide.
The attack goes out.
10-13.
Challenge
This will
ball
be
by the
challenged.
Tribe. The challenge is
It's
block
another
touch.
block touch challenge by Letran. This time off a Leonelin Padilla attack. We'll see. 9-13 is the advantage here. If you guys missed out on the first game, nanalo po ang Perpetual kontra Mapua.
5
5
setters.
sets. Yeah.
Pero yun, grabe yung laban na yun.
Grabe yan.
Nag-boil down talaga sa 5th set. Parang naubos na lang yung parang naubos na lang yung energy ng Mapua
That's
pagdating ng 5th set.
5th set.
Tapos, yung Perpetual, alam mo yung diesel,
Yun.
na pagdating sa dulo, tsaka palang nag-kick in talaga yung init ng makina. Tapos tinuloy-tuloy na nila.
Lalo itong si Cyril Almeñana
Oo.
who poured in 29 points.
And most of dun sa 29 points was set number 4 and 5.
Yeah. That's when she started connecting in bunches. Was there a touch? It looks like... yeah.
Oo, meron.
Yep. On that right ring finger.
Yes, there is a block touch. Challenge is successful.
Successful challenge by Letran.
It's 14.
Everything
serving
going
9.
Letran's way today.
Leonelin Padilla serving.
Padilla challenging that first ball. Abacon, that's too tight. Back set for Bachar. Estrelier to Bane. Campos over to Habacon here. Estrelier choosing Nizar. Campos with the pop-up. Habacon flies in down the line. Ready si Panangin. Bane. Ball is still in play. Good activity from both teams. Bachar finally puts an end to it.
That was a good rally.
Look at this. D-ball for Bachar. And she ends that sequence with an emphatic point. Another chance for San Beda to mount a run, to stay alive in the match. Middle attack doesn't work.
Ball is out. Point
And
for
Letran gets
Letran.
it. So Coach Kung Fu is back with Gina Espina here as his setter.
Judiel de
Custodio
Tura
stays
serving
on the
for
court.
Letran.
Judiel with yet another ace.
I mean, yung ganong kabigat na balo, parang ang hirap nun tanggapin na
Second technical timeout.
nung paset, di ba?
16-10 for Letran. Father Victor Calvo Jr. OP Mancom, representative of Colegio de San Juan de Letran, in attendance here. I wonder if Attorney Jonas is also here.
To serve again.
This is Judiel Nedura. 5 aces today for Judel. Again, the runaway #1 server of the classification round. Vanessa Sari. Espina over to Habacon. And Angel scores.
Angel Habacon scores another point.
Meron pa bang gas na natitira dito?
Oo, lumalaban pa. Lumalaban pa. Malayo pa yan, guys. 16-11, mahaba-haba pa yan.
To serve for the Lady Red Spikers.
Gina Espina. Sari. Espina choosing Angel again. This time it was deflected. Oh, Vanessa Sari with that booming
another
point.
attack.
Vanessa Sari even targeting Campos.
Vanessa
And that hit.
serving for the Lady Knights.
17-11. Espina. Angel.
Angel Habacon.
12-17.
Alam mo yung balo na yun, na-block na yun ha, papunta sa atin, parang malakas pa rin eh. Parang malakas pa rin yung talsik ng bola papunta sa atin eh.
Ganun kabigat yun. Abacon, combination play. Jade Esar. Blocked by Katubig.
Meron pa.
Ano pa?
Meron pa.
But San Beda can't quite get through this 4-point barrier. Let's see if this is their turning point. 16 today for Angel. Ken, only player that's been consistent for them in scoring.
And in double digits.
Chance for the Lady Red Spikers, an underhand pass. They go to the opposite. Bachar. This is still playable. Panangin. Yes!
Jonathan Panangin.
Panangin with a point off the bench. Iniwas. She was going right, but she spiked that one, or going left rather, spiked that one cross court. Back set for Bachar. Oh, what a save from Sari.
Pero kanina pa siya tina-target ng San Beda.
Adjustment from Katubig. Panangin, that rolls in.
Jonathan Panangin. with
Things are
another
just
point.
going their way, Mark.
I love the celebration here. Yun ang give na give, oh.
Substitution San
Yan yung
Beda.
yan yung
Number
mga
7
fan
out.
talaga.
Yan.
Number 5, China
Diba?
Castillo in.
Kabira ka lang may airtime eh.
As the
Ka-airtime.
Nisar still serving.
Mamaya
Lubusin
pag,
na.
pag nakita mo to mamaya, pang ano to, pang my day.
Ayun, correct.
Story lang.
Sorry. China Castillo is back for San Beda.
Janelle Bachar.
Point for Bachar.
Substitution San Beda.
This is a very...
Number 17, Custodio
Parang may
out.
sobrang difficult
Number
ng
13,
atake na yun.
Ah.
Kasi parang nasa kabilang side si Net eh.
Yeah.
Very awkward yung palo ni Batsar na yun.
But she's had to work for her points today, Prince.
Yaya serving for San Beda.
You know, her
Yeah.
battle is both within herself and, of course, Letran. And their consistent activity defensively.
Kasi struggling talaga siya the
Yeah.
entire game. Actually, hindi lang siya. Yung buong San Beda,
Sipsip.
Kung Fu included,
Uh,
nag-struggle
On
talaga
deck
dito
to
sa game na
serve,
to.
Nat Estrelier.
20-14. Some finishing touches here for Letran unless we see a comeback from San Beda. Bachar. Yeah, now she's
Another
getting
point from
cleaner hits.
Janelle Bachar.
Oo, parang tatlong sunod na point para kay Batsar. Pero dito natin makikita sa service niya eh. Kasi kanina,
On deck
she
to
was
serve,
trying.
Janelle Bachar.
Pero pati sa service, wala pa rin.
So this one goes in. Judiel. That one was slowed down. This is still playable. Oh, nope, it went over. Kasi kinuha from the side of
Ball is
Letran.
out. Point
Sa
for Letran.
inside nila. Within their...
Pumasok sa loob ng stick eh. Dapat sa labas ng stick and then pabalik.
Yeah,
Good effort.
good
I
effort.
mean,
Exactly.
Stepping in to serve.
China Castillo.
Jonathan Panangin.
Didn't give up here, but rules are rules.
worth a try.
Castillo. Padilla. Espina sets up the back row. What a pick from Panangin, but Sari
Attack error.
It was
Point
good.
for San Beda.
on the approach and the wind-up. Pero yung impact niya sa bola, nagka-problema.
Grabe yun. Yung palo ni Angel, prior to that, ang lakas. Tapos binigay kay Sari, ang lakas din, hindi lang tumagos.
Leonelin. Padilla scores.
Leonelin Padilla. Quick hit.
She's been the go-to of Estrelier whenever
Substitution
they
for
need
the
some
tie.
variety
Number 16.
on their offense. Giving the ball to her middle in Leonelin Padilla. And Syra Silorio
Timeout called by
was about to
San Beda
check in
University.
before San Beda called for time.
Ulit-ulit ang sinasabi sa atin. Lahat ng sistema nakapwesto na lahat yan. Okay? Lahat ng point of reference nakapwesto. Ang tanong, yung taong gumagalaw dun sa gusto natin mangyari, masyado kayong stiff. Hindi natin na-execute na maayos kung gusto natin mangyari. Kasi nga, may nag-hold back sa inyo. Anong meron? Pag-aralan. Hindi ba tayo sa ganitong sitwasyon na papasok tayo ng quarterfinals? May advantage tayo? Hindi ba kayo sanay?
Substitution for the tie. Number 16
Kailangan pag-aralan nyo para
Number 23, Syra Joy Silorio.
22-16. Letran is just 3 points away from an undefeated classification round here in season 101. Again, we're applying a brand new format this year. That went to
Point for
Letran.
Oo, lumagpas eh. Lumagpas. Hindi pa na isi-set yung bola eh. Parang inabot niya na eh. Medyo nakita sa angle ko.
Yeah.
Oo.
Challenge to ni Coach Kung Fu yung reaching beyond.
timeout, San Beda
Instead
University.
of challenging, tumimeout na lang si Coach Kung Fu.
Erin, alam mo ba na back row yung play ang setter? Alam mo yung ano? So yung violation eh kasi naabot mo yung bola sa kabila, bakla yung setter, sayang. Intindihan? So yung mga ganong situation, dapat compose kayo dyan. Kahit mauna si setter. Intindihan? Kasi yun talaga ang labanan dyan eh. Kung sino ang mas compose, eh kanina pa, first set natin pinag-uusapan. Hanggang ngayon, kaliwat ka ng parin.
It's been the same problem for San Beda. And it's hurting them the most here in the third set, Prince. Kasi, you know, they had chances
And
to
again,
come back.
set number 1, 2, and 3, lahat ng timeout ni Coach Kung Fu na narinig natin, he's been saying the same thing over and over again. But they can't seem to, you know, to find the proper solution para dun sa problem nila. And yung term niya na yun, yung compose, kung sino yung mas compose. If you're gonna look at set 1, 2, and 3, makikita mo yung Letral kung gaano sila ka-relax. Relax in a sense na hindi yung relax na parang walang gana. Yung pagka-relax nila, parang they came here for a mission. And then, they're here to, you know, represent Letran. And it's a rivalry game again. So, kailangan, pag rivalry game yan, or kung ano man game pa yan, dapat pagdating mo, yung best mo kaagad yung ibibigay mo eh. And since set number 1, 2, and 3, yun yung pinapakita nila eh. Very composed sila, and sa'yo na mismo nang galing kanina, whenever they commit a mistake or an error, they take it back by scoring 2, 3, 4 points na sunod-sunod.
And well, that relaxed mode comes from their confidence in the system and their play. But they're not yet done. 20-23, a string of points put together by the Lady Red Spikers.
Nilalaro pa natin. Sabi ko, tapusin natin maayos.
Still concentrate, like I say, on the timeout. Every ball matters now. They will come back if you don't stop playing.
Okay.
Yeah, every ball now good.
One stop. One stop. Patay tayo. Over tayo. Go. Very good.
You can hear in that timeout, Lara May is really the ate of this team. Diba? Medyo pinagsabihan lang niya yung mga players niya na dalawa na lang eh.
Huwag nyo na laruin. Pag laro na, tapusin na natin. Kasi imagine ending the elimination round spotless.
Yeah.
Tapos sweep pa yung last game.
Sure.
Yun yung sinasabi nila na kung papasok ka ng playoffs, dun sa high note na hinahanap mo.
And they are a point away from accomplishing that. And now, for the match, this is the league's best server, Judiel Netura. Over reception. Castillo gets to it. Angel flies. And it drops down.
Angel Habacon, match point.
San Beda. Susubukan bang kumapit dito?
Substitution Lady Knights. Number 1, Itura out. Number
Princess
8,
Tumayaw and Nishan Colendra.
Number 10,
Both coming in.
Estelera out.
Familiar
Number 12,
double sub
Marcel Colendra in.
from Coach Mayeth Carolino.
Serving for San Beda, Gina Espina.
Gina Espina to start. Tumayaw. Sari ends the match. And Letran will finish the classification round undefeated in NCAA Season 101. What a game for the Lady Knights. They've been forced to play 5 setters in their last 2 matches. They end their 13-game classification round with a sweep against their arch rivals. And our player of the match is none other than Judiel Netura. 18 points, 4 aces to her name. Consistent all throughout and consistently terrorized San Bedo's first ball with her heavy serves. Let's listen in to Letran school him.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up.
Our player of the game, Judiel Netura with 18 points. She has been the breakout star of Letran in Season 101. And it looks like she is ready for the playoffs.
I mean, siya nga yung best server, di ba?
Yeah.
And in this game alone, has 4 service aces.
Yeah. Final score, 25-18, 25-18, 25-21. Don't go away, mga kapuso. We'll go back for our updated team standings and the final numbers of this game.